Hello! In this video, we are going to show you 14 have you ever questions, and we will teach you how to answer each question. It will be super easy and you can do it. Let's go! Have you ever tried any extreme sports? So, here are some possible answers. No, I haven't, or no, I have never tried any extreme sports. But if you have, you can say, yes, I have. And then you have to give more details. I tried skydiving. I tried bungee jumping. I tried rafting. How was it? Was it scary? Was it exciting? Was it fun? Okay? So, have you ever tried any extreme sports? Your turn to speak. Go. Good. I hope you were able to answer this one. Let's go to the next one. Have you ever traveled abroad? Yes, I have. I went to France a few years ago. I went with my sister. It was fantastic. Good answer. Were you able to answer? I hope so. Let's go to the next one. Have you ever been in love with your teacher? No, I haven't. Or, no, I have never been in love with my teacher. Oh, but maybe you have, right? Oh, yes, I have. I was in middle school. She was my math teacher. She was very pretty. Good answer. Now it's your turn. Have you ever been in love with your teacher? Good. Next question. Have you ever been on a diet? If you have, here you can see because, right? So if you say no, tell me why not, right? Oh, because I like my body the way it is, for example, right? Or if you say yes, I have. I was on a diet for 10 days. I ate only salad and I lost 5 kilos. Good. Your turn. Have you ever been on a diet? Good. Next question. Have you ever worn a costume? These two are okay, but if you have, don't forget, give more details. Yes, I have. I was 2 years old. It was Halloween. I was a bunny. Good answer. Very simple, but very effective. Let's go. Now your turn. Have you ever worn a costume? Next question. Have you ever bought something really expensive? No, I haven't, or no, I have never bought anything expensive, or yes, I have. I bought a sports car. I paid $80,000. It was expensive for me. Good? You ready? Your turn. Have you ever bought something really expensive? Next question. Have you ever had a car accident? Good. Or yes, I have. I was going to the supermarket when I lost control and I hit a tree. Okay, so this is a good answer. And you can also add what happened after. I broke my arm or I was okay. I wasn't hurt. Okay, your turn. Have you ever had a car accident? Next question. Have you ever lost your phone? If you say yes, I have. Yes, I have. I went to school, but when I got home, my phone was gone. So first you say where you went, and after the second place, this is the place where you realized that your phone was missing. Oh my god, my phone is missing. Ah, this is the place, okay? I went to the store, but when I got on the bus, my phone was gone. Okay? Your turn. Have you ever lost your phone? Next question. Have you ever caught a fish? No, I haven't. No, I have never caught a fish. Yes, I have. I caught a salmon. It was big. I ate it. Good. So you have different options here. I caught a trout. It was small. I put it back in the water. Good answer too. You ready? Your turn. Have you ever caught a fish? Next question. Have you ever seen a wild animal? No, I haven't. No, I have never seen a wild animal. Yes, I have. I saw a giraffe when I was in Kenya. It was beautiful. Good. Your turn. Have you ever seen a wild animal? Next question. Have you ever been camping? No, I haven't. No, I have never been camping. Yes, I have. I went camping in Canada. I was with my family. It was tiring. Good. So how was it, right? It was great. It was tiring. I was tired, right? Or it was boring, not interesting, or it was cold. Okay? Your turn. Have you ever been camping? Next question. Have you ever studied for a really important exam? No, I haven't. No, I have never studied for an important exam. Yes, I have. I studied for the TOEIC exam. I studied hard for 2 years. I got a good score. Your turn. Have you ever studied for a really important exam? Next question. Have you ever had an operation? No, I haven't. No, I have never had an operation. Yes, I have. I was 20 years old. I had problems with my appendix. The surgery went well. Good. Let's go. Your turn. Have you ever had an operation? Next question. Have you ever stayed at a luxury hotel? No, I haven't. Yes. No, I have never stayed at a fancy hotel. Yes, I have. I was in Germany. The room was huge. My favorite was the bar. You can change this, right? I was in the US. The room was beautiful. My favorite was the view. Very nice. You ready? Your turn. Have you ever stayed at a luxurious hotel? Good. Excellent. Hey, you did very well. And one more question, a bonus question. Have you ever subscribed to a great YouTube channel? Now is your chance. Hit the subscribe button and join us for our next video. Bye-bye.